welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Today I'm going to talk about how to use Reddit. So guys, Reddit is claims itself to be the front page of the internet. It is a very high authority website. I'm on the home page of Reddit. As you can see, home and popular tab, there are topics, different topics to choose from. So let me log into my account, my friends, and let me show you which type of posts you can do. So first of all, I posted this question just now: how do you guys deal with stomach pain issues usually in Ask Reddit subreddit? And people say try to ignore it, take baths, and this is a common question. So this is the first point. So for you guys, I'm going to make another post in Ask Reddit subreddit, and I'm going to write overthinking. So post title: overthink. How do you usually deal with overthinking? So this is the question that I've asked and posted. Now Ask Reddit has this is a text post. Now we have done a text post. How do you usually deal with overthinking? This subreddit has almost 40 million subscribers, members. Now I'll go to we have submitted a text post. Now we are going to the self-promotion subreddit, self-promotion self-promotion, and we are going to promote a video. So I'm going to choose a Reddit video, how to delete your Reddit account permanently from PC. This is what I have chosen, my friends. Link, you see, first it was post, now it's link, title, and YouTube link. Copy the YouTube link, paste it over here. Flare, we will choose video, apply, share this post on Twitter. So we'll post this this video link, YouTube video link. Now my friends, what I'm going to do is go to the O section, awww to post a picture. So now I'm going to post a cute cat. Dogs are very common, so I'm going to choose a very a pet that is very cute, raccoon. So my friends, I have chosen a raccoon. So there is only one picture available, for two pictures available. I will choose this one. It will be downloaded, and now I'm going to create post, images and videos. And upload it. Upload a picture. Spelling was wrong for raccoon, and share it on Twitter as well. Other animals, flare it up and post it. So let's hope that it is approved. Yes, it is approved, my friends. So now let's go to the profile page. We have posted a picture in relevant subreddit awww, and then a relevant subreddit we chose for video link promotion, self promotion, and then also a subreddit called askreddit for posting a text post. So guys, this was a basic tutorial for how to use Reddit. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are new, and press the bell notification bar. Thanks for watching.